Welcome back, everybody. I'm Andrew Scheier. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to create the scale model of Jupiter. It's actually a lazy Susan that I built for a friend of mine. I have some leftover cherry wood for my cherry shadow box table that I have built. So if you haven't seen that video, go check that one out too. Anyways, let's go create this and go create a great day. In order to bend these strips, I had to use my homemade steam bender. I have a video out for that. It came out before this video, so check that out if you want to see how that's made. So that's what I'm doing right here. Just put them in the steamer so I can bend those strips around the circumference of the circle. Here I'm doing the final glue up on the edge banding. Once it sat, well, it was wet after steaming, then I took it out, cut it down to length, and just glued it up, and using the same hose clamps to clamp it in place until it dried.